I'm gonna go get some exercise in just a little bit, have some breakfast. Tampa Airport is right over here. You'll see the airplanes climb out there. I don't know if you can see it, Southwest is climbing out. We take off at 12. I'm gonna be out at the airport, I think at 11:30. I don't know, we got there an hour ahead of time, but really there's nothing to do here. Actually, I find being at the airport more interesting than sitting in the hotel room. Some guys are different. You know, they'd rather stay at the hotel till the last minute. I just as soon get out, you know, see what's going on at the airport, seeing what kind of airplanes pull up on the ramp. So we got an hour and 7-minute flight from Tampa over to Nassau. 3 passengers, just me as the pilot. Now the owner's going, he's typed and rated also, but he'd just as soon sit in back now. The Citation XLS was sold. That's to Quebec. It's gone. November 9er uniform, a Citation XL. It came off a lease. The advantage of us having that airplane back is that it has 9 seats for passengers instead of 8. We had a lot of trips where they wanted to take a 9th passenger and we couldn't do that. So there's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of stuff. Lots of changes. Hey, but change is good, isn't it? Yeah. All right, whoops, there's the light. What's it gonna be? This or that? I think I'm a treadmill guy. Sometimes I do the others, mostly the treadmill. This is not good since my flight connects in Baltimore tonight. Apparently there's a nor'easter moving into the northeast. Yeah, bringing heavy rain, raging winds, gusting 60 miles an hour. Well, that's unfortunate. See, there's the weather guy. It'll be fun. Scrambled eggs. All right. Hot cup of coffee here. It's nice out here. Very nice. It's probably 70 degrees right now. A little overcast, but looks like a lot of it's going to burn off. I got about an hour and a half before I got to get out of here. Oh, one thing that's been going on, our last kid left the house. So we're empty nesters now, and we bought a little travel trailer for 2 people. So we're going to do a little traveling eventually. And that was about 6 weeks ago. All we've had is time to do 1 night in it. But hey, it is what it is. Things will slow down eventually. So we'll be able to go do that together. It'll be a lot of fun, a little adventuring. I think it'll work out great. All right, it's that time. I got to get ready for work. Jump in the shower here. Good morning. Okay, here comes 2 uniform. What? There's an airplane that's huge. Man, look at that. That's 110 gallons a side. It's noisy out here. Everything's tidied up, ready to go. Got water? Got coffee?
And for Southwest 3882, there's a big flock of birds here on short final.
Southwest 3882, thanks.
And for Southwest 3882, they're about 1,000 feet AGL.
Thank you, sir. They're passing off to your right now. I think I saw them.
Affirm.
Roger. Citation T uniform, contact departure, good day.
Roger, departure, T uniform, good day.
Departure Citation T uniform, climate to 6,000.
Okay. 502 Tango, remember, turn 10 degrees right.
10 right, 2 Tango November.
Number 2 uniform, Tampa departure air contact, climb maintain 12000.
Maintain 12000, uniform.
Showing 62, flying 270, climb maintain 12000.
12000, heading 270, showing 62.
Legion 883, descend maintain 3000, advising of the airport inside will be 9 o'clock in about 6 miles.
We got 3000 and we also have the airport Legion 883.
Low approach, South 3661, passing 12.210, we got India.
Number 9, November Golf, contact Tampa, approach 119.65.
119.65, November Golf, good day.
Low approach, South 3661, 10.9 for 10, India.
South 3661, Tampa, approach, descend and maintain 7000.
7000, South 3661.
Showing 62, flight 180, climb maintain 5000.
180, 5000, showing 62.
Showing 62, negative 5000, 180 heading.
5000, 180, showing 62.
Number 2 uniform, turn left heading 180.
Left 180.
November 2 uniform, number 1, contact tower 118.5, good day.
18.5, uniform, good day. Nassau Tower, citation 2 uniform is with you for the visual 32.
Citation 2 uniform, Nassau Tower, good day, runway 32, clear to land. Wind 290 at 6, where you parking?
We're going to Jet Aviation and clear to land 32 for uniform.
Roger. Southwest 1830, runway 32, fly runway head and clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear takeoff 32, Southwest 1830.
Sir Mike, India, contact departure, advise traffic inside safe flow.
Over the departure, we'll let them know. Good day, make it in.
Roger. Southwest 1830, contact departure, safe flow.
Alright, is that 121.0?
Okay, firm, 110.
Good day.
Good day.
Tower Charlie 6 from the top place, up to 2430.
Charlie 6 from your Papa, my tower, good day, runway 32, continue approach, confirm traffic is inside?
Right.
Right. Mike, India, Papa, confirm traffic, transponder correction is activated.
Affirmative, 0462, Mike India Papa leaving
500.
Okay, Roger, stand by frequency change.
Mike India Papa.
Envoy 4146 talk, confirm we're ready.
Ready to go on 4146.
Okay, Roger, you could hold short, expect departure after the second land in traffic.
On 4146.
Romeo Papa Mike, runway 32, clear to land, wind 270 at 7.
Okay.
What's it? There we go. Let's grab this. All right, it's yours. Okay, I just cleared customs. They're gone. Getting a ride with David to the terminal now. It's only about 5 minutes over there. Southwest. Let's see. Okay, now we're looking for gate C11 to St. Louis. It's a 2-hour flight. It wasn't bad. Looks like most of the weather has moved out of here. Here's dinner right here. Ten minutes to go. Let's get on the airplane.
Don't lie to me.
No, see, it's not on me. Taxis. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.